In this tutorial, we're talking about Cloud Firestore. Okay, this is the content. What is Cloud Firestore database? What is a document? What is the collection of Cloud Firestore database? Adding data to database and reading data from database. Okay, now what is the Cloud Firestore? Cloud Firestore is a cloud-hosted document-oriented database. It's also a NoSQL database, which means it doesn't use the SQL statement, and the SDKs can be accessed by iOS, Android, and web apps. So since it doesn't use the SQL statement and it's different from normal SQL relational database, so it doesn't work with tables and rows. It only works with documents and collections. So the reason also is being called a document-oriented database because it sees things from the document aspect, stores data in your documents that are arranged in a collection. So what is document? In Cloud Firestore, the unit of storage is the document. The document is a lightweight record that contains field, which maps value. All right, now let's know what a field is. Fields are containers that store piece of information or data in document. So your little informations like your name, your age, your school, your sex are stored in the document. Now, what is a record? A record is the role of database, a horizontal grouping of fields. So while building our apps, I would point out the fields and the rows so you would see them there. Now, what is a collection? Documents lives in collection, which are simply containers for documents. Now, how to add data to your Cloud Firestore. So there are several ways to write data to your Cloud Firestore. You set the data of a document within a collection. You can set it by giving it an ID, or you add a new document to a collection and Cloud Firestore automatically generates the ID for you, or you create an empty document with an automatically generated identifier. So these are the simple ways to write data to your Cloud Firestore. Now, what are the data types? Data types that are being supported by Cloud Firestores are your string, boolean, numbers, date, null, nested arrays, and objects. Now, reading data from your Cloud Firestore, there are two ways to retrieve data stored in your Cloud Firestore. You call a method to get the data. You set a listener to receive the data change event. So when you want to get a real-time changes, you have to set a listener that listens to changes in your database and immediately effect the changes in your app. All right, for more information, you visit firebase.com.ng/doc/firestore. You will get the whole information about Cloud Firestore you need. So now in our next video, we will build a little app that would help incorporate reading data from database, adding data to our database, and also how to set it up in our Android Studio and have it live in our app. Thank you.